Hi, hello there, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Really excited to have you on board, and I am truly looking forward to getting started and opening this product to you guys due to its truly unique nature and the fact that it's really geared towards a small investor looking to really make money out of the most lucrative industry on the planet. It absolutely There is no other way of putting it because there's nothing that comes close to the amount of liquid currency that's available on this. What do you think I'm talking about? I'm talking about Forex industry, right? Now, whoa. At this point, I'm just going to clear up. I'm not talking about binary options kind of product, guys. No high risk taking here. No, you're not going to find me playing with that sort of high risk stuff. It's going short of gamble for people who really know how to make most of it. Well, good luck to you. But this is for the small investor looking to take care of his investment and still make a steady profit on a very continuous basis and very much mitigating the risk factor. Yes, every word I'm saying to you here means what is being said. All right. So I'll just bear with me, stay with me, stay excited, and I'm going to take you through this step by step. All right. So let's get started here. I'm just going to pull up the presentation here. Wrong one. Wow. Again, third time lucky. Let's see. Yes. Whoa. Okay. Right. I'm going to share my screen here with you so you can see what's got me excited. What is it that's basically, really truly something you wouldn't have heard before. As it's available, it's making it possible for people of all backgrounds and people with not a lot of money to actually make money on this market. People who know anything about people who know anything about to get involved and get excited, and yet looking after your nest egg. All right, it is truly based around that principle. It's not about risk taking; it's about making wise decisions. All right, where is that gone? Header hiding now? Woohoo! Right. Okay, so we get started. Okay, so hey, when vision and perfection come together, great things can happen. A new dimension in direct marketing. Honestly, direct marketing is only the secondary part because the product itself really takes the center stage. It's, again, you can see the logo in the side there, USI-tech. That's the company we're going to talk about. Before I guess we start going, I'm just going to touch on what I've done. This is my third successful business online. And I've been in the industry for 2.5 years. My background is in fitness industry from space of nearly 9 years now. And why I am so indebted to this wonderful industry, online industry, is because it truly made me realize what is possible for a average individual who may not have any experience but has the will and the focus to scale up on what their talents, their dedication, their commitment, they can make it happen in this industry. That is what I truly believe that it should be about. Any one of us who has the sheer will to make their life a special one should not be stopped by circumstances, right? That's what I believe in. So I'm gonna start talking about this. Really, I have achieved financial freedom because of this industry. This year has been a real special year for me. I have never in my life traveled to 5 different countries within the space of 1 year. And the fact that it became possible and actually happened, it's all due to the successes that are, or potential that is possible for any one of you who's listening to me right now. You are, and you should believe you're here because you know what's possible online. So let me get started with this. This is just a Forex industry, the physical industry. It's a great combination of physical industry paired up with online, and it'll only create more potential for growth and possibilities for in any individual who's willing to change their life. When vision and perfection comes together, great things happen. Any doubt about that? The global markets have never been as dynamic as they are today. Okay, guys, so global markets are really growing in whichever way possible. We know that almost we always call it like a global village. The amount of, then just sheer amount of wealth that's basically being traded through whether it's stocks and shares in currency trading, it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Within the matter of last 2 years, guys, that the forex industry jumped from $4 trillion a day of trading to 5.3. That's about 25%. 20 is just over 20%. Sorry, apology, but just still massive number. 20% of growth within the matter of 1 to 2 years. That is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Everyday shares, resources, and foreign exchanges worth almost $4 billion change hands. Right now, again, the trading, honestly, you put those figures in that I've just mentioned about 5.3 trillion, Forex industry really is creating that much wealth. This is changing hands. There is that much trading going on each day for the figure I've said. Not only humans, but also highly intelligent software systems generate fantastic profit opportunities on the market. And this is what this is about. A lot of times, I mean, this industry has been very exclusive in catering for people who have either given it their all of their life, a big portion of their life in understanding how the markets work, or people who born with a golden spoon in their mouth and just have had money to actually throw out there, learn from their mistakes, learn from their experiences, and then make a lot of money. But for an individual who's not had that sort of access to wealth, has found it pretty difficult to see this ever as an option. And this intelligent software systems that have made life so much accessible for any individual we know have again come in here and just given this great opportunity to the market. And I am so eager to get you knowing about what I'm talking about here. Really, guys, stay tuned, stay excited. Major banks and investment houses worldwide have invested hundreds of millions in the computer control automation of trading systems. Why is that? Mainly because computer control systems will are constantly at it provides consistency to humans, right? Humans can be at a peak of their emotion and be very focused, but at the same time, humans get tired. Humans need to sleep, but computers, by giving a consistent algorithm or a formula for them to work on, they can constantly manage things 24/7 a day. That's what has made a great shift. Since you can see these figures, the figures have grown so rapidly due to the more sophistication that's come within the computer control systems and the automation of trading systems. That's why leading figures in the branch joined forces several years ago to create an instrument that can compete with greats around the globe. Right, exactly. There's no doubt about this, right? Again, well, like I said, very few individuals who were on the top of their game used to always be able to call the shots in this industry. And computer systems and their sophistication has again even out the field. And again, the possibilities with the information systems have grown so much more for other individuals or individuals with not so fortunate backgrounds to come in and actually be able to profit from it. The result, an automated trading system. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. An automated trading system that offers excellent profit opportunities for everyone with more than 7 years of design experience under its belt. Yes, I am not talking about something that's going through an experimentation stage and is bringing people into the fold without knowing what it's doing. It's about creating a system. It's about offering a system that's actually been there working on the industry or in the trading industry for the last 7 years, okay, and proving its success in the industry where money is being made through it. Okay, remember, money is being made through it. Okay, guys, this has been working for traders for the last 7 years, and it's coming behind with a pedigree. Very important. You don't want to be putting your money in stake with something that can't really prove whether it works or not in this industry, because things can go bad very quickly. So this is a proven product again. I love the word proven, proven. That's how you're going to make sure that you are going to mitigate risks on your investment, right? That's what we're looking for. And then be able to safely delve into creating a source of income that can be sustainable, right? USI-tech. Now, this is the company, guys, that has had utilized the same software. I'm going to put in front of you this beautiful breakthrough product, state-of-the-art product that's basically making it possible for people, for everyday people, to actually again make it possible for them to take away from the massive amount of liquidation, the profits, the currency available on the Forex industry. Welcome to the United Software Intelligence. That's the company, right? The mission statement: transform your life. Yep. Let's go, excited. We are a technology company. So just to introduce you what USI-tech is, it is a technology company that has been focused since its creation on creating software for trading. Okay, automated trading software has been its specialty, and it's been doing that now for pretty much most of its span of time. Again, in the last 8 years, more than 100 software versions have been developed, and successfully tested in practice and use. They do cover a broad spectrum of software versions for highly sophisticated and massive trades. We're talking thousands to millions being traded through this software, guys. So this is no joke. This is not something, again, that's not taking the trading industry serious. This stuff is basically from the professionals, delivered by the professionals, looked after by the professionals, experienced by the professionals, and recommended by the professionals. Simple as. Our objective was the consistent development of a fully automated software, exactly which even smaller investors can participate in the Forex market. And did you see that smaller investor bit? That's what my motto of this webinar is, my presentation: to get small investors, people who are looking for this possibility to create an income from this gigantic market and industry on the planet, to get some some profits. Starting from the technical complexity and many particularities of the Forex market, this project could be successfully completed after 7 years of intensive development. Now, really, they've really put in a lot through this, and this has been going on for, like I said, you've seen it for the 7 years. Really, this kind of thing, you can understand the amount of data that's being put through it, the sheer amount of work that goes into making sure that the sophistication of the product is really paralleled with the right expertise behind it. Okay, in numerous intensive tests, there has been a lot of testing done, a lot of testing done. 7 years is a lot of time. Again, for the profits, for the software to prove its consistency, and making sure that all kind of any kind of shortcomings are covered, right? This is what it's all about. This is where the testing proves critical for anything like this. Again, our offer consists of it. This is offer. So this is the offer that you're basically coming to. Software lifetime license. You're gonna be taking if you decide to go with it. Really, it is a picture of MT4 trading software. MT4, MetaTrader 4, is basically two types of softwares that are used for currency trading. It's MetaTrader 3, MetaTrader 4. This one trades on MetaTrader 4. And when you do decide to go for it, the beauty of this product really is that your one-time purchase, your one-time acquisition of this product will mean you owning it outright. Any kind of updates or upgrades or anything that basically comes with the software management and everything like that is all inclusive. There are no hidden fees with the software at all. Okay, so understand the excellent chance of so exactly. So this is why softwares work, and this is why softwares have made it possible for masses to actually get involved in the trading market. And this is different. This look, there are softwares out there. One, you're going to be paying an arm and a leg for just for the software. So it's software itself is investment. So that money the small investor might have to actually, and I mean small investor. Okay, I'm not talking about again small investors being about 5,000-10,000 guys. Small investor, right? One small investors, if that's the money they've got 5 or 10,000, you're looking to buy the software for just about that much. So again, and then there always it tends to be kind of like a subscription cost, things like that, trying to cover it. So again, this is where this truly, in a high, this is something that's it's made it easy for people who don't have knowledge of the trading industry to be able to come in and profit from that, and really a software that's just manageable for anyone. Really should be anyone who's interested can actually be realistically making money on this industry. So this is just to show you how the trading software, without the help of any human controlling or calling anything, the software itself is mitigating risk. It's basically moving through the market. It just show you an example of how it's basically managing risk, still making profits, very steady profits, but managing risk so that there is no sudden loss, or the volatility on the market will not mean that you're just going to be out of pocket in the blink of an eye. That's why this software is so effective at what it does. So to simple access to the forex trading market, there are lifetime software license. Like I said, registration with the US EdTech. This is just going to be a first step. You're going to obtain the software license. Opening a trading account, so this is just to work you through the steps of how you can go about and just literally start. So you can, I've just got you there, guys. Now our tokens is literally the product just does what it's saying on the tin. You can see from here, you literally get registered, obtain the software license, open your trading account with a broker. Everything is very straightforward for anyone who does anything, who's in anything online. Really, you open up, it's like opening up a PayPal account, open up a trading account, and again, this trading account is partnered with USI, so you will have complete and clear, concise directions on how to move forward on this. Installing installing the software in the you're going to get help with that in the sense of making sure that it's on a continuous cloud server so that it's always on. Again, software intelligence. It's going to be working while you're sleeping, making you profits while you sleep, right? Remember that Warren Buffett thing? You should be making money while you sleep in order to become financially free. That is the principle here, right, guys? So you gotta have it working 24/7 for you in a position where it's just gonna do what it does, and you don't have to do anything, any part of the day. Once you just turn it on for the first time, and it just gets going itself and keeps going. So yeah, okay. So there you go. The lot of steps are depositing the money in your account, right? That you're gonna trade with, and you have to activate, and that's it. You just activate and move away. So Royal Financial Trading are our partners with this software, and guys, please Google them. Google Royal Financial Trading and see how massively successful they are in the trading market. They are very responsible trading platform. Royal Financial are ASIC registered, and Australian Services and Securities and Investments Commission. Australia has one of the strangest financial policies in the world, which is again for the protection of investors. So you got to see how positive this is, that this company providing this platform for a small investor to have maximum security and safety of their money and full access to their money. The money is always within your own grasp. It's controlled by you. Whenever you decide not to be a part of it, or you decide you require the money, you can pull it out. This is really transparent, guys. Very transparent in the way this basically takes place. Why we cooperate with Royal Financial Trading? Again, customers for brokers trading go to a separate account, not pooled accounts. So every person that's going to be every person, guys, every single person will have their own trading account. So this is not going to be like one massive account with everyone's money thrown into it and then being betted against, or nothing, absolute nothing like that. You are going to have full control over your own money. Hence why Royal Financial Trading has won its awards for its transparency, for its success in the market. You can see this is all stuff out there. This is all public knowledge. So you can always go out there and research this throughout. So you can see there's a lot of reputation here. There's a lot of reputation with it. Our trading software has unique algorithms and its own in the market non-existent indicators, right? So this stuff is not taken off the shelf and just put together. USI-tech, like I said, this is their own baby. USI-tech has not gone out there and tried to again pull wool over people's eyes by basically trying to repackage something that's been available out there in their own configuration. They have literally invented and gone through the process of creating this from scratch, and they've been running this, and it's got a data track record within those 7 years, guys. This is absolutely massive. Anyone who knows anything and will be listening to me on this presentation, you know that this how much security and how much truly peace of mind there should be. That this company knows what they are offering inside out, and they themselves are responsible for the workings of it and tracking it over the last 7 years. Our trading software has no increased risk of loss under extraordinary market fluctuations. Absolutely, this is the beauty of using software intelligence. And if you have working systems, the trading software has no increased risk of loss under extraordinary market fluctuations, because the currencies are paired and they're basically working against each other. So the cleverness and the uniqueness of this is that whether the market moves left or right, because of the currency that's being traded against is traded against each other. The currency correlation is basically at work at all the times, and the software is very minutely monitoring the movements in the market, and will make sure that you again are mitigated against high risk. The maximum risk reduction is exactly that's what I was telling you. I've been telling you all through this that it's all about maximum risk reduction, and in a high risk market. Forex, whoever will tell you, is one of the highest markets. It's always the case. Where you're gonna make a lot of money very quickly, you're gonna have the highest risk. But it's all about making sure that the strategy that you deploy is a medium to long term strategy with continuous chances of winning. Again, yes, it does have the track record of creating about 150% profit on the investments per year. 150% per year. Yes, guys. However, take that figure with an open mind, understanding that is up to, okay? That's important. But for all the examples that are out there, and once you've seen this presentation and you are interested, you are very welcome to get in touch with me, and I can show you the examples where it can truly work anywhere between 8% monthly to, again, like I said, 150% month in, month out, guys. And then over the span of a year, you're looking like that. Really, really exciting stuff. Absolutely. For people who are looking to really take a very realistic approach, a very much a medium to a long-term strategy approach to making money in a market that's normally high risk, but this state-of-the-art software intelligence that basically makes it possible to really reduce the risk to as little as possible. It truly does, guys. We're talking nothing more between 5 to 20%. That's in this market. Anyone who knows about this market, that's truly phenomenal. Our market plan is unique and will change the industry forever. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. You can see the kind of unique parameters that I'm talking about here. In a high risk market, a medium and long term strategy for people, everyday people who who would like to look after what they've got, but still be able to get a steady profits. Each personal referred customer and consequent further recommendations can be rewarded. Again, this is the network side. Network side. You can see I've started with a product because the product leads. The product is the fundamental basis of the company. And this product, this marketing thing, again, USI Tech is not a marketing company. Anyone can research this out there. They are literally a software creation, trading software creation company that's basically been in that market for all this time. This is just the marketing side is now going to be touched on, and it's been introduced so that this software can be realistically put out to people who are interested in moving and creating another source of income, and marketers who can actually market it to the mass market. Because look, guys, for anyone, and we know what a strong source of advertising word of mouth is. That's what marketing is all about. I mean, if I'm basically doing this in this presentation to you, and if I know that if I can get rewarded, I'm a go-getter. I really am a go-getter. And if I have to basically do this work, and I can feel that I can get rewarded for this work, on top of an excellent and a unique, amazing product that's basically making it possible for for any individual, any driven individual, any individual who's ready to take action to be able to make money just by purchasing the product. For me, it's a satisfaction to be talking and delivering this message from the company to the people, and if the company or a system has been put in place to reward me for that, hey, happy days. That's all I have to say. Right, on a serious note though. On a more exciting note, let's say a 3x3 matrix. Okay. So what this means is basically you yourself are, if you did want it to access, again, this is your choice. Let me just be very clear again, guys, in all seriousness, this is your choice. The product itself is there for anyone to just come in, purchase a software license, start a trading account, put the money in, and a very, very realistic kind of investment. I mean, I touch on that. We were talking 1,000 euros. 1,000 euros will get you going on this trading. So again, it's all about the product. This is just a bonus, guys. Bonus, and a real rewarding bonus to talk about and to experience. A 3x3 matrix. So someone who's basically like myself comes in, starts out, buys a software license, and then gets 3 people to buy their software license. Then helps those 3 people to get their 3 people so that they can buy a license. Again, I've basically duplicated myself, and I've made sure that people are brought in could duplicate themselves. Again, why? So that the product itself does well, and the advertising of the product takes place through word of mouth, through us being raving fans of the product, crazy raving fans of the product, because it truly is an exciting opportunity in the most lucrative market, lucrative industry in the world. Again, it's a spillover, and the payment structure is based around 12 levels deep, whereby you will get rewarded for what you do. From the purchase of any lifetime software license, yes, you will. So if you are able to sell a software license to your prospect, you are going to get rewarded 120 euros per software license sold. And the permanent payment of broker's fees as well. So you will get, anyone knows that broker fees will come back to the company for being able to bring an individual. So at the end of the cycle, whatever the broker fees are shared, these will basically be passed on again into the network to people who are looking to qualify by doing that extra work of marketing. And that's going to be shared by people who qualify by purchasing the software license, themselves, and then getting only 3 individuals to purchase the license themselves. They would have qualified for the broker fees participation as well. Oh, it is exciting, guys. Honestly, in all seriousness, and driven, focused individuals will find this such a great opportunity to be able to make a change in their life. Right, the marketing plan and the individual positions. You see, guys, the structure of our 3x3 matrix shows that, again, you do get spillover. So again, you could have these 12 levels. You could literally have, three of your individuals are spaced out on different levels, but because you're direct this, you still qualify. But because of the fact that the exciting part of this is the people based upon on top of you, as long as you get three licenses, you could literally be um, picking up commissions from 12 levels deep, because there's spillover. There's people on top of you basically having to place people in your matrix, because obviously you're in front of them and they can go 12 levels deep, and they're going to get rewarded for placing people under you 12 up to 12 levels deep as well. Um, again, so this is just again at the plan level 1. So again, you yourself or me, myself, and my 3 direct partners. Okay. And then obviously they can have their own direct partners. Again, if the spillover does come through, then that will only mean that you can still place your partners underneath these front line of yours, um, but but still get rewarded for it. And obviously these people as well, if they are driven enough to create that duplication and just get three of their own individuals, they will basically qualify for the matrix bonus and the broker fees. Remember that broker fees? I just mentioned it. That is what you're gonna qualify for as well on a residual income side, besides what you're gonna be making on the money that's working for you on an automated passive style. All right. Oof. So much here, so much exciting stuff here, guys, to take in and action. The blue mark partners from left to right are so-called spillover. Again, spillover, I was just talking about it, right? So this is coming from people who are on top of you, just taking action and placing or getting the word out there about the software. And that still becomes a part of yours, whatever the second bonus is, which is matrix bonus, shared on 150 euros from each software license sold. Because of this spillover, you are going to be a part of earning the minimum of about 12 euro 50 cents. Just minimum. Okay, if you're qualified, this can be truly a lot more than that, guys. Maybe up to 50 euros, or up to, it could pretty much be um, up to 50 euros, yes, for each just by those people being placed under you. Wow. Again, you can see that, right? 25% matrix commissions are basically to 150 euros in a linear payout only to the people, again, in those 12 direct in linear way, compressed people who have bought their license and qualify by making sure that they have 3 individuals that they have brought on and they've bought their license. Like it says, 600 euros only for such a beautiful product, such a unique state-of-the-art product that's going to be making you money anyways, just because it itself is so effective. So you can see 25 euros commission and breakdowns, 25 euros direct, 25% direct commission, and 75 total equals 100 euros. Recurring brokerage fees. So it's brokerage fees as well are variable payouts. 25% go directly to the sponsor, and a further 75% will be divided to a maximum of 12 qualified partners. You see that? So again, brokerage fees that's going to come. Through your direct partners, you still get 25 euros on a recurring basis. Wow. And then 75 euros again with that 12 compressed levels to the qualifying people. Again, just to give you an example of how it basically got the qualified people in here. So people might have purchased the software. If this gentleman on the bottom end has purchased software, because people up to yourself, only 3 within the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So within the 5 individuals in that linear style, only 3 are qualified, including yourself. That 150 euro license that became available for the whole matrix will only be shared between the 3 of you, which means you're basically going to make 50 euro commission. Wow. You see that, guys? You see the power of that? Really, it's really special. Again, just to give you a few calculations on the matrix commissions, this is on the basis of the qualification and the linear payouts from the matrix. You can see up to this is again added, right? Add each stage to the other, you're looking at anywhere around nearly 10 million. That is possible to be around 10 million. Yeah, that's 6.5. That's 2.5 there. It's nearly 9 million there, guys, and then the rest on the top. And Woo! Yes, there is a lot of money here to be made, a lot of money. And this is because of the way this complex matrix works. Um, Again, calculation, I can always, those of you who are action takers and wanted more information, you're always very much, um, I invite you to kind of, if you wanted more detail, I'm more than happy to kind of go through if something doesn't make sense. If you get in touch with me, we can go through it together. Based on a 2,000 euro trade, right? So if it's a base, so it's account is basically trading at 2,000 euro trade. You can see number of partners, 3 euros 13. Broker fee share would go through 3 partners, and this is the residual income side, guys. Again, within the same thing, this would be recurring, because as long as the trade accounts are open, these fees will be paid on a trading cycles continuously by the brokers. It's just amazing. It's still in 2,000 euro trade accounts as well, not massively big money. Again, that was yesterday. Now we speak about tomorrow. Now, from 1st November 2016, this plan got even better. And you will give me about 2 minutes to run off, make sure my laptop doesn't run out of battery, and then I'll be sharing with you what today, from 1st November, this amazing opportunity has gone even better. Just a moment. Woo! Hello guys. I am here. I'm back, and I'm going to share these exciting new developments that have been put in place just since 1st of November this year. Well, this month. Well, 1st of November. 1st of November. Let's go. Let's see what's there to say. So this is now a unilevel coded bonus. Right. I'm gonna be very upfront with you. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I did not ever come across what a coded bonus was, but then doing some listening, some study, I found out apparently that coded bonus are not so common in the market because they share so much more profit. And the fact that there was only one company back in the 90s when I was obviously in kindergarten, not really doing a lot of marketing or earning coded bonus, couldn't have the opportunity. So this is why I have never come across it, but it's the amount of money that's just became available to the go-getters in this industry is gonna be absolutely massive. So just stay with me. I'm gonna do my best to kind of like show you, just give you the taster of the potential of the money involved here. So then now you are going to be basically earning through coded bonus besides the structure that's already in place, which is there. So if your software is basically sold, you could pretty much be earning, right? And to direct people that you brought in and they've basically bought, you'll basically be earning, that 120 euros plus obviously the 150 that's gonna get shared out. But then there's 50 euros again that's you're gonna be making if you did the three front line that you've sponsored, 3 people, and then you made sure so for those 3 people you're gonna get paid like that, right? So 50 euros. So new direct sponsors, you've got 3 on your first level, so you've cleared 3, and you're gonna get paid 50 euros for each one. And then on the level 2 guys, you've got potential to basically duplicate. So if you've got now 6 direct referrals and a total number of 12 within your team, again, total number of 12 means that even if you have spillover from the top, or you basically made you've made a really concentrated effort on making sure that your team could replicate your success and bring in individuals who are qualifying because of getting people started, that €40 commission is gonna be duplicate again and again. So though your 3 direct, then on the level 2, the 3, you get paid €40 each, and then each time those 3 would have basically brought 3 each. Their 3 brings 3 each. Their 3 brings 3 each. They're gonna get paid €40 endlessly, endlessly. Yeah, you're hearing me right, and I mean it, guys. Endless lot of commission will be available to you. This is what coded bonus is. Now, let's say you were even more driven and you got yourself up to 3 more on the level 3 side, and you have total number of 40 team partners. That bonus again to you would be duplicated again. Like you again now. Besides earning that €40 thing, now because you've got 9 and 40 team total, that those 3 in the front end now, each time they start you help them to qualify, you'd be earning from their front end as well. Whew. I mean, you can see again up to level 4 where €20 is available because you've got about 12 direct partners and total number of 200 team partners. The bonus again, even at the level 4, those individuals, prospects, your level 4, so 4th level 3 that have come in, and they're basically referring, and their referrals are able to refer again. That €20 bonus will every time come back to you. So it's endless. Wow. This is what a coded bonus is all about, the power of uni-level coded bonus. And again, after that, it's literally you're gonna have, if you were able to replicate that again with the level 4 guys, you'd enter into a generation 1 bonus. So again, in front of them, the 3 that you'd get, that would mean really, guys, the €10 bonus would be limitless again, and each time that up to generation 3, where I mean, the money you're talking is absolutely crazy. You can see, those of you who are just getting the gist of what I'm saying here, for go-getters, this is the opportunity. This is happening now. You have to take action. Get in there. Get it working for yourselves. Take action. Really, there's a lot of money to be made here. Again, just to give you an example there, right? So, your sponsor, right? So, again, level 1, level 2, because they've replicated themselves, the money will keep on coming back to you, right? €4, €30, €20. So this is where it's all working in duplication. The whole point is that through this, the power of this uni-level coded bonus, people are really driven to start individuals and be able to duplicate, drive them, motivate them to, take a more active role with the company and actually put the word out, get this product going to the masses. Okay, so you can see it just grows and grows. So you can see up to 25-fold bonus on the original structure. So again, this is there, and then on top of that, because of your replication, because of you being involved, and not only stopping at getting 3 direct referrals, but actually getting 6 to 9 to 12 direct referrals, and then allowing each string of individuals that you've brought in on each level to be able to get them to help and duplicate themselves, you're basically increasing your income folds upon folds. That's the way I'm going to say it, guys. Matrix bonus max of €390 per license that's being bought in your matrix. You're going to be getting 390 per license. The license itself is €600. So you can see how generous this bonus commission level is, just so that people really become the power of the company. The fact that this is an opportunity for the people to really change their lives. Again, guys, this is where it all comes down to. Register now. USI Rahim, rahim.usi-tech.info. Type that now, rahim.usi-tech.info. Register now and take part in an international business opportunity. It truly is a global business opportunity with exponential profit levels, guys. This is really, really gonna change the industry forever. Mark my words, it is going to change the industry forever. It's out there to connect and to really bring this very lucrative industry to the masses and open this opportunity. Yeah, this is just the event that's gone by. Really, you really don't wait for this and just get yourself going. Just get yourself going. Again, the registration is free, right, guys? You just register and look at the opportunity from the inside. Rahim, rahim.usi-tech.info. Rahim, rahim.usi-tech.info. Get yourself joined and get yourself in there. Take the first action. This is gone worldwide anyway. We've got people joining all over, left, right, and center. We're looking at our own team within the matter of 1 month is hitting nearly 800 people, guys. Really, this is not a joke or anything like that. Really, this thing is moving. Those of you who are going to take action are always going to be ahead of those who are going to not take action, right? This is the way of the world. This is truly is. So let's get started. Let's work together. Let's make it happen. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with that. Hopefully this has really opened your eyes up. Really, can't say it any other way.